Yo, bro, my desk is all janky and it's like, I don't know, it's not very good. I don't know what to do, bro.
I guess I could weld you one, but what's in it for me?
Bet.
I actually just posted a video about my desk setup, but 2023 I can already feel is gonna be the best desk setup that I've actually ever done. This whole video is about making a custom desk. Forever now, I've been using this desk from IKEA. It's like $50. It's unstable, wobbly, scratches really easily, and it's not the best desk for what I am doing. But this video is finally dedicated to making my own desk. Okay, so quick backstory. A couple months ago, my friend got into welding. Interesting hobby at 14, but it was cool. I started looking at getting a new desk and I was wondering what legs I should do, and then I stumbled across this picture of legs right here. I really liked the kind of like industrial aesthetic of it, but these were like $200. Okay, maybe like 100. But basically, I didn't want to spend that kind of money on the legs. So I was talking to my friend and ended up showing him this photo and said, I could probably weld that. And he said, well, I can go get some materials and might be able to come up with something. So not too long later, he sent me this photo. Basically the raw metal before any welding. Then within like a couple hours later, he sent me this photo, which was generally what the legs were gonna look like. I was already pretty stoked and I was like, okay, this is actually kind of fire. And literally not much longer, he sent me the finished product. But I think we both realized pretty quickly that it wasn't gonna be that stable. So he was like, I'm gonna need some support brackets. Then he decided to make that. So I sent him a photo of a couple different butcher blocks and we landed on this one. This one particularly is from Home Depot. It's about 50 inches by 25 inches. This thing is solid. This thing is like 50 pounds. After a couple weeks of just kind of slowly working on it, it was done.
Holy crap, I can't believe I just did that. Happy Valentine's Day. So this is what my desk setup looks like right now.
I'm gonna have to deal with this. I just need to clear a space where the desk is gonna fit.
Oh, what's going on? Yeah, because I can move it up or I might stand it anyways. So generally, I now have the whole desk setup like ready. The issue I'm seeing is that. Oh my goonie. The desk setup is functional. Yes, I know the cables are atrocious. Don't remind me. I have like 5 cable clips. And that's it.
All right, so pretty much I have the whole desk setup set up back to how it was essentially. And the first thing I'm noticing is 2 things. Number 1, I think I need a bigger desk pad. Number 2, I think I might need a bigger monitor. And number 3, it's taller. It's about like 3.5 inches taller than my last desk. So thankfully my chair is adjustable. So yeah, it is pretty sick. What is up, guys? We're here with the Yerby.
It's J Mark.
Alright, for now, that is what I have for this video. I'll probably keep you updated, maybe make more YouTube shorts. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I have more content coming on this desk setup like I always do. It's constantly changing and I love making these videos, so I'm gonna make more. Also, thank you to my friend Preston. He actually built this entire desk, so yeah, thank you for that. That was actually insane. He'll probably leave a comment in this video and I'll pin it so you guys can say hi. But yeah, if you guys like watching videos like this, I have a whole playlist with like desk setup, room makeover type videos, so you guys can click that after this outro. But anyways, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, maybe consider like subscribing or something. It helps. It doesn't. It doesn't do anything. Actually, it could be nice. I mean, it motivates me to make these videos. Okay. Yo, what is up, guys? We got Spatula in the house. Yeah, I'll see you guys next one. I don't even.